a storm, subtropical, I saw it fly by. Then it was gone. There was a meadow, I knew rows of trees and uncut grass. Dotted along it were rain clouds. But when my thoughts turned to that place in a summer storm, eyelash scattered rain soaks within. Sparks and zine pop and smash behind its veil. They are temporary friends of a sense of relief. What substance could brew darkened fumes enough to realize this storm in this imagined meadow you witness? Will it sustain for your warm rainy days? 'Cause when the